Hi, I'm Josh, inventor of the bottoms-up beer dispenser, and we get asked all the time, how many pints do you get out of a keg with a bottoms-up beer dispenser? Truth is, we don't know. We've always only just done the math. We've never actually done a test, so we're gonna do one today. We've got 473 milliliters of water. We're gonna pour it in this 16-ounce pint glass. To show you there is no cheating. This is exactly the same pint glass that you'd find in any other bar. We made an exact replica of that, 16 ounces right to the top. We're also, so this is gonna include tapping the keg, all the stuff, priming the system, everything that would waste any amount of beer possible. Let's give it a go. All right, we ended up with 128.2 pints of beer. Now mathematically, there's 124 16-ounce servings in a keg of beer. So where'd the other 4 servings come from? I think we would all agree that these are full pints of beer. Normally, maybe even over full, right? Normally you've got at least that much head on a beer. Yeah? Well, let you in on a little secret. This is a 16-ounce pint glass to the top of the glass. The extra beers came from that little tiny bit right there that's not full to the top. This is an industry standard. Every pint glass in the industry is 16 ounces to the brim. Some bars even use what's called the cheater glass that's 14 ounces and sell it to you as a pint glass. So that's where it came from. Those are the facts, and comment below. Let me know what you think.